lẹ́yìn ètò ìdìbò tí ó wáyé ní ẹgbẹ́ APC lánàá fún ẹni tí yóò díje ipò ààrẹ ní ọdún 2023, Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ni ó gbégbá rókè.
This is to certify that Aṣíwájú Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, having scored the highest number of votes cast, is hereby declared winner.
Ní èyí tó túmọ̀ sí wípé òun ni yóò díje pẹ̀lú Atiku Abubakar ti ẹgbẹ́ PDP, Peter Obi ti ẹgbẹ́ Labour Party àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ìdìbò náà wáyé ní alẹ́ ọjọ́ keje oṣù kẹfà ọdún 2022 ní ìlú Àbújá. 2,243 ní àwọn aṣojú ilé tí ó dìbò. 14 ní àwọn tí ó díje fún àga ààrẹ. 8 nínú wọn ni ó yẹ̀bà fún Aṣíwájú, tí ẹnìkan péré sì yẹ̀bà fún Yẹmí Osinbajo. A kí Aṣíwájú kú oríire.
APC Nigeria. Good afternoon, Your Excellency, the President of Federal Republic Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, and the mama of the nation, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, the First Lady of Nigeria. Today is another historic day, and it's thanks to God Almighty that you are living healthy to war, to witness it, to be part of it, to be your calling, to be your arrangement. We all, not only as APC party, it has gone beyond the partition idea now. It is yours as the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You put it together. You have been great, gracious, and humble from the beginning. We are very grateful to you, Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR. The Vice President says you can easily lick your wounds. It doesn't take away from thanking you for the past cooperation, collaboration, and cool-headedness to build our country. You've helped shape this nation in the right direction. Thank you very much. Hakeem Gbajabiamila, the sparkling speaker, I credit you. Credit you being an ever ready, not a battery, but a canister charge job, ready to do Nigerians' work and build a nation that you and your grandchildren and rest of us will be able to live in peace and harmony. Thank you very much. The Gbajabiamelas of Lagos has been part of the history of this country. Yes, intruders, killers, They have been working us, but full circle, we will worry and eliminate them. We are Nigerians. We are sure no animal in the darkness of the night, no intruders, no destroyers can bring Nigeria backwards. Forward, we are moving. I must thank our men and women in uniform, those who make sacrifices of their life, left family behind, and continue to fight for the survival of this country. Be assured, it is the beginning of that time now. You will get reward and enjoy a part of your life. You won't sacrifice for nothing. Today, I have my beautiful wife by my side. Mama 60. I thank her for sleepless nights and the time she had to endure loneliness. But I always say, I choose politics over fine accountancy work papers. And it is only through this channel that I can help build a team, unbreakable team, that will make Nigeria great. This is the beginning. First step taken, second step taken, and we are moving on. You are the great people of this country that have built, that must join hands to build and get rid of those animals whose head and brain and heart has been possessed by evil. Mr. President, I'm sorry that I'm keeping you waiting too long since yesterday, but this is the time to take a revenge. You have taken me too long too sometime. I always sympathize with the mother of the nation. Whatever punishment Mr. President had this afternoon, we ask for it together when we say vote for APC. To you all, take this opportunity to tell Nigerians that we are not the barbaric, blind human beings they think we are. They're setting us against each other. When you were born, you didn't hear from the womb whether you be a male or a female, whether you be a Christian or a Muslim. You were born into your parents and adopted their religion, and you continue. Yes, the faith is in the mind. The Bible taught us to be together, to love your neighbor. He didn't say kill your neighbor. Love your neighbor as he died, love yourself. It's in the two holy books. Goodness for goodness. Learn to accept mistakes. Not from the gunshots, not from cutlass, not from destruction of properties and lives. The life you take, you cannot bring back. The blood that you cannot replenish, the life you cannot bring back, if you don't even feel guilty, the ouch of the mother will definitely haunt you, and you will not live in peace. You create agony, you get agony. You hate, you get hate back. That's what we must carry from this stadium. We say progress. Progress is not about killing one another. It's not. Love is about embracing one another. If I disagree with you on one matter today, tomorrow we might agree and build a nation. Can you imagine all the roads that you have here? Some of them are warning out. Remember, you get out of here now, you see some fine cars, not made in Nigeria. Are you not ashamed? Let us be ashamed of ourselves, our failure. Accept our own failure. We drive the car. We cannot even make the brake pad. Let's change that. Let's be determined that it is only our hand, our brain, our vision that will build a new nation for us. Before the new nation give the golden egg, you must sweat, and you will sweat. Please, let me shorten the time and ask them not to punish the president too long. I commend my fellow aspirants a difficult thing to run for president. The stiff and bold competition you offered made our party stronger, made me better. I'm a better man. I am humbled. I'm grateful to all of you. I want to say thank you to a very nice gentleman, Alhaji Badaru Abubakar, Senator Ibibule Amosu, Senator Ajayi Boroface, Honorable Dimeji Bankole, Senator Goodwill Akpabio, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, and Barrister Mrs. Uju Kennedy. You chose to step down through personal ambition and conviction that I will do a better job. Not because you denigrate yourself, but you trust my brain, that I'm a thinker and I am a doer. The competition is now over. Those who did not support me, you have nothing to fear. I hold no grudges and grievances. Let us each agree to join arms in defending the PDP and defeating PDP and beat back their retrogressive understanding of Nigeria. They had 60 years. 60 years. They depleted our resources. They leave us with the hunger. Let us each agree in defeating PDP during the elections. Next election, beating our common foe. They are the agents of poverty, terror, violence, and lying. They are the creator of the swamp. Ask them now, how many abandoned projects they left behind? They can't count. They don't even know arithmetic. Not to talk of algebra. When I asked one of them, who's my friend, a casual friend, why do you say economy is going down? He said because containers are not rolling in as before. I say you are container economy. You didn't mess it up. They don't understand that you can create wealth. You can really create wealth. Not because making the container I tell you, we will dredge Calabar and make it a port that will receive goods and fabrication. We will fabricate engine and brakes and many other parts in our area of expertise. We can do it. We can revive our economy. We can compete well with other nations. We can beat nations like Morocco and others. Yes, we can. And by the grace of God, we will. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. President Muhammadu Buhari, please forgive me for keeping you this long. I didn't expect to win. I win. I must be intoxicated for victory. What can I do? Today is the only day I can punish you because it's long. Forgive me, though. No. God bless you. God bless Nigeria. God bless APC. God get rid of all the PDP geckos of Nigeria. They are termites. We will not give them the key to our savings. Enough they've done with our wallet. And that's it. Before we finish, they even want to rule this country. Not this country. No. We are no fools anymore. We are too smart. We have young youth that we do things better. Better to many other countries. We can create wealth. We will create wealth. We will turn Nigeria hand. It will be our El Dorado. God bless you. God bless you. All the delegates, you have been here 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. And well, that is the way of building the nation. I can't greet you more than I'm greeting you now. All I can offer you to return to your various destinations. God will guide you. Give His protection to you. Make you a success. Arrive safely. Those who left their children at home, to caretaker and nanny, God will not allow evil to possess them. May God bless you. Bless Nigeria. Bless APC. And bless our president. Thank you.
Kilarigbo Live TV, ìkànnì amúlùdún àkọ́kọ́ tó ń gbé àṣà àti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ Yorùbá lárugẹ.
Atagbantagba lóde tagbangba ló ti pápá tó ní kí ló ní tagbangba ó ṣe.
Àwọn gbàǹkọ́gbì alárinrin ètò ọ̀dọ́ wa ló sodo sí.
Mo lè má lè sọ òyìnbó púpọ̀, but inú Yorùbá tí mo ń sọ àwọn kan yọ Yorùbá ń bẹ̀.
Ṣé báwa náà kọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba ni kámú láti Kilarigbo Unlimited.
Kilarigbo Unlimited ládùn ètò tí kò láfiwé.
Alárakúàrà.
Orí ètò Alárakúàrà ní àwàyè lórí Kilarigbo TV.
Mo lo ata, tomatoes, àlùbọ́sà, ẹyin, mo lo carrot mo dẹ̀ tún fi hot dog náà sí.
mélòó la fẹ́ kà nínú eyín adépèlé kpk kò gbọ̀kẹ̀ Kilarigbo ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ká ṣe àkálẹ̀ àwọn ayẹyẹ lọ́nà tí ìgbàlódé léyìí tẹ́yìn ó sì gbádùn ẹ̀.
ọba sọyún ọ̀rọ̀ jábẹ́sì padà ìwọ ni olúwa wá fàyè mi ṣe yanu.
Kilarigbo Live TV gbọ́ ń pa ẹ̀. fún ìpolówó ọjà tàbí àkálẹ̀ èyíkéyìí ayẹyẹ tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe ìyún event coverage pẹ̀lú owó tí ò gani lára Kilarigbo Live TV ẹ̀rọ amóhùnmáwòrán tíá.